what is up? I keep saying that I'm back, but I keep fucking up. Nah, I'm not fucking up, but I be busy with the whole pregnancy, work. I'm not trying to be stressed out. But yeah, your boy should be back. Esme's almost here. We got something big planned for this year. That's all I'm gonna say. My baby gonna be gone. Never said which one though. So let that settle in. Think about it. I'm about to go get a car wash. If anyone has a Ford Focus and needs new seat brackets, let me know. I'm gonna be changing my seats back. Or just seat brackets, because I have seat brackets. The slide, I have the Ford Focus seat brackets and then some sliders. So if anyone needs those, I'm gonna be selling those. So just hit me up if you need it. Yeah, peep that camera. Your boy's hair is long as hell too. Oh, I'm gonna have to show you guys a little room tour again. That lighting, dude, look nice on me, on my skin tone though. Hey, look at that, your boy's shiny. About to vacuum the car too. Bro, what are you waiting for? I hate when people don't know how to drive. Like, bro, no one's coming. What are you doing? I'm about to honk. I'll give him one more shot. They fuck up again. Take too long, I'm gonna honk. Alright, they finally fucking win. Perfect spot to do a little pull. Bruh, this person does not know how to fucking drive. I kid you not, they're going 20 miles per hour. 20. Come on, my dude. Now somebody's on my ass, thinking that it's my fault. Bro, you're turning my way too. No mames. Hopefully the audio is a little better through the AirPod. Bro, what are you doing? I don't like honking at people, but this motherfucker is gonna get honked at. Bro, literally, what are you doing, my dude? Never mind. Not even gonna say it. Not even gonna say it. Bro, they're closed. Looks like I'm only vacuuming. Oh, they're not closed. Say less. Alright, let me put y'all down somewhere. The boy don't be getting car washes anymore though. Ooh. when you know you're about to fuck your car up. The paint. My next car, I'm about to get a whole ass pressure washer and everything. Will not be going to car washes. Probably once or twice. Nah, no, I'm not. At least I can do the walk around now. But yeah, what have I been up to? I've just been chilling, to be honest, just working, moving in silence, because I got something big planned for you guys. I still haven't fully decided on which one, but that's all I'll say. See you in a second. Just kidding. Damn. Clear skies. Oh, baby shower was a success. Gender reveal was a success. I'll include some pictures from the baby shower, but I'll make sure to include a clip of the gender reveal. Bro, I just wanted to walk around. Just the walk around, they're gonna be right here. Hopefully they don't look at me weird. This actually is a good spot to get a picture of the car and everything. Let's get this thing started. So, walk around. This is a 2016 Ford Focus SE. Sadly, it's not the ST one. Damn it, I missed half of the rim. But it's pretty cool. This thing's pretty loud too. Let me see if I can set you off. The sound of it. Show y'all the inside. We got bucket seats. I know they are dirty, but we only got Teresa's seat, you know what I'm saying. We're gonna have to get the car seat right there. But yeah, some. I like it though. Fucked up. changed too. I had to clean the windows inside and out. But yeah, hope y'all like it. Oh damn, I'm gonna have to start putting the resonator and the muffler back on and everything. Sometimes I'll be being a menace. Not too often, though. Alright, I'm done. I'm done for today. No more flooring. Niggas stay staring, though.
Okay, guys. I need them to be sweaty. Okay, ready? Come on. Ready? Somebody make my hands sweaty. This one's not sweaty. It's just a nervous. It's just a nervous.